Did you know that the first recorded football match in Nigeria was played in Hope Waddell Training Institution, Calabar? The contributions of Hope Waddell Training Institution to Nigeria and beyond are numerous, spanning governance, politics, arts, science, and sport. While serving as principal between 1902 and 1907, Scottish man the Reverend James Luke introduced football to the school, and on June 15, 1904, the first recorded football match in Nigeria was played in Hope Waddell between the school and the crew of an English naval ship, HMS Dwarf, and the school won 3-2. Later on, when the game caught on across Nigeria, it was known as the Calabar game. At about the time football was introduced, a certain Mr. Foster, a Jamaican teaching staff, also introduced the game of cricket to the school. Hope Waddell Training Institution was founded in the year 1895. Isn't it interesting? Now you know.